You can claim $252 worth of assets on the Unreal Engine Fab marketplace from now until the 30th of June. We have the Docks Volume 2, the Stylized Characters, and the White Castle. If you claim a professional license of these, you've got 3 assets worth $250 completely for free that you can keep forever. Let's start with the Docks Volume 2. So this asset pack includes everything that you can see in this video, so all of the assets, the maps, and materials, all created for realistic AAA quality visuals and style. In total, there are 103 unique meshes, all of which have automatically generated or per poly collision based upon the complexity of the asset. There are 89 materials and material instances and 193 textures, all of which being 4K. This asset pack is all optimized for games as well, so you can use this in your Unreal Engine 5 games with no problems. I personally think this one looks absolutely amazing. Next, we have the Stylized Characters Modular Stylized Character Creator Adventurer. So this is a highly customizable, stylized character system designed for ultimate flexibility and scalability. Whether you're creating a AAA game or optimizing for mobile, this system includes 2 fully modular, stylized characters, each with a range of options for customizing colors, armor, skin, eyes, and much more. There's also support for both PBR and cel-shaded styles, as well as facial expressions and a rigged gear system. So there are male and female characters with interchangeable parts for limitless customization options, 64 total unique meshes, 4 LODs across all of these, and it is rigged to the epic skeleton with IK bones included as well. On top of that, there are also 18 animations included too, and the text resolutions range from 256 up to 4K. This is another one that I think looks absolutely fantastic. And finally, last but not least, we have the White Castle, and this is another modular asset pack for you to be able to build this beautiful white castle you can see on screen now. In total, there are 112 unique meshes, however this does not have collision or LODs. There are 18 materials and material instances with 52 textures, and the text resolutions are all 4K. This one I think looks great, but with that I think that'll be it for this video on covering and showcasing these assets and reminding you that you have these for free to claim until the 30th of June, but again you can keep them absolutely forever. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and hope you found it helpful, and if you did, please do make sure to like and subscribe down below as it really does help me and the channel out a lot. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.